meaning that the tile you have should be able to be copied multiple times, whether it's from right to left or top to bottom, and actually have a pattern match to where the pattern flows seamlessly without any breaks. You can have a standard or a basic repeat, a half drop repeat, or a brick repeat. But all you'll need to do at this time is to have a scanned copy of your one tile that will ultimately repeat. The scanned copy should have been scanned in at 150 or 300 dpi. When you've scanned your copy of your piece, what you'll need to do, in case you have extra white space left over, is open up Photoshop and crop the image. So we'll go ahead and open up Photoshop and we'll crop the image that I'm going to be working with. We'll go to File, Open, and we'll open our JPEG that we have. As you can see, we have a lot of extra white space around our actual tile that is ultimately our repeat for our pattern. So we want to make sure we're in the rectangular selection tool on the left-hand side of the screen. If you're not in there, click on that to activate it. We will go to the left corner of our image. If we need to zoom in, we can hold down Alt and roll in with our actual mouse. If you roll in too far, you'll crop off all of your image. So we're going to roll out a little bit. We're going to go to that top left corner, click once, hold and drag, and we'll see a dotted line appear. We're going to go to the bottom right corner of our pattern and release. Now we have selected our area that is actually our pattern tile, which will be the repeat. In order to crop this, we have to go up to Image on the top of the toolbars, Crop, and you have cropped your image. If you would like to deselect and not have the dotted line around your actual image anymore, just click anywhere in the gray area and it'll automatically deselect. So we want to save this actual file because this is the file we will actually place in Illustrator in order to trace over it. So we'll go to File, Save As. We're going to save this with a different extension, just it says 2.jpg. Go ahead and save it as a high file. 8's great enough. You can see the file size is pretty large. It's 1.2 megabytes already. So this is definitely sufficient for us to bring into Illustrator. Click OK. And now you have saved your cropped image. From this point, we'll open up Illustrator and bring in our image, and then we'll begin to trace.